Want to learn how to enable or disable video call effects on your Samsung phone? You have come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through the steps you need to know. Let's dive right in. First, open your phone settings. Then, scroll down a bit to find the next option. After that, tap on Advanced Features. Next, keep scrolling down. Then, choose Video Call Effects. From this section, you can change the background color of your video call. Additionally, you can add a background image. To do this, tap the plus icon. Next, select Add Image from your gallery. After that, tap down at the bottom right corner. You will see a list of apps that support video call effects, such as WhatsApp and Messenger. And that's a wrap. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. Any questions? Drop them in the comment section and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for tuning in.